Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Thinkific affiliate program portal, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with the Thinkific affiliate program portal, begin by navigating to the Thinkific website. Locate the affiliate program section, usually found in the footer or under the resources tab. Click on the affiliate program link to access the sign-in page. If you already have an account, enter your registered email address and password. Click the Login button to proceed. If you do not have an account, look for the option to sign up for the affiliate program. Fill out the required information in the registration form. This typically includes your name, email address, and preferred payment method. Ensure you read and agree to the affiliate program terms and conditions. After filling out the form, click the Submit or Sign Up button. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after submitting your application. Check your email and follow the link provided to verify your account. Once verified, return to the login page. Enter your email address and password to authenticate your account. After successful authentication, you will be directed to the affiliate dashboard. Here, you can access your affiliate links, marketing materials, and performance metrics. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard's features to maximize your affiliate marketing efforts. If you encounter any issues during the authentication process, consult the FAQ section or reach out to Thinkific support. With your account authenticated, you are now ready to start promoting Thinkific and earning commissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.